usuku lwakho lokuzala. Right at 27 minutes after 5 as well as gijimeni siyongena la sithi recharge your spirit this morning.
Recharge your spirit on the Mega Grace Hour. Recharge your spirit on the Mega Grace Hour.
Yes, indeed. Recharge your spirit on the Mega Grace Hour on Vuma FM, Adult Radio for the Young at Heart. Namhlanje, we do have Mpostoli Thobisi Makhathini. Mpostoli, good morning.
Morning. Zikot nomlaleli wethu ekhaya namhlanje.
Samangilila Mpostoli, and thank you so much for joining us once again this morning. We are still continuing with our conversation of silencing the voices of depression. Abantu are going through so much. Amanda going through depression as impelweni zabo. So we are trying all that we can to assist and to rescue them. And namhlanje we are talking about something very important. Mfundisi wami, ukuthi wenze njani uma if something that you deeply love does something that you deeply hate. Nanti into omthanda noma umuntu omthanda noma into oyithandayo ivele yenze lokho opposite kulokhu ongakuthandiyo. Wenze njani? How do you react? How do you respond? How do you come out of that?
Mntakazi kodwa asibonge kakhulu mhlobo wami. Namhlanje ngifisa sikhulume nje nabantu abaphoxekile.
Yes.
Ifuna sikhulume nabantu what disappointed. Ifuna sikhulume nabantu abashawe impilo yababeka phansi banaba. Ifuna sikhulume nabantu abathi I don't see my turning back. I don't see my U-turn in this thing. You know, when something you deeply love does something you deeply hate, there are voices that speaks to you. There are voices that suggest things to you. Yeah, but I want to speak with those people. Maybe you the relationship that you invested so much in, you know, it doesn't work. It doesn't go according to plan. A person that you have reached, you have invested your all, and that person is the one is the one who have done something that you did not expect. You know, maybe the family, you know, when you have done everything for your brothers, when you've done everything for your sisters, but you don't receive the same energy, and you feel like now there is nothing that is making sense.
Yeah.
You see, when the company that you've invested in so much, and the company that was growing and giving you life, that company is not giving you what you are expected. Uhlezi phansi unabile awuzazi ukuthi into ongayihlanganisa nani ukuze kuphume ini. And mase kuleso sikhathi kuba namaphimbo lawo esikhuluma ngawo abizwa ngokuthi ama voices of depression. Lawo maphimbo agrecruitele kwi-isolation ukuze kube yiwona kuphela azosuggest izinto to you. So ayagrecruiter ngokuthi akuxoxele sengathi abantu abanandaba nawe, because abantu ababhekene nento obhekene nayo, abantu babhizi, akekho umuntu ozokathenda. You know, now usawuqala ukuba umthwalo kwabanye abantu. Ngesikhathi lama voices of depression ememeza lezo zinto kuwena, akurecruitela kulento esithi isolation ukuze ezosuggest izinto ezizobulala wena, ngoba igoal yama voices of depression ukuthi ungafiki kulento owadalelwa ukufika kuyo. The main aim of the voices of depression is that you don't become the giant that you are. You don't reach greatness that you were created to be. You know, afuna ukubulala before time. The voices of depression, they want to kill you before time. So I want to speak to those people by suggesting three things. You see, when something you deeply love does something you deeply hate, number one, do not act immediately. Do not act immediately. Do not speak so quickly.
Yeah.
Because you see, Tina, generally, as people, ngesikhathi ubhekene nobunzima obhekene nabo kunento ekutshela ukuthi fanele awuzwe lo pelepele akuzise wona, uyabona. fanele ayikhokhele lento ayenzile, and ngesikhathi wenza njalo you will get more disappointed than fulfillment and closure leyo cabanga ukuthi uyayifuna, ngoba ama voices of depression akutshela ukuthi uzothola iclosure uma ngabe u-act in a certain way, akutshela ukuthi you will feel better uma u-act at a certain way. And let me tell you, those voices of depression are not helping you. Instead, they want to usher you into a place where you will maybe think of taking your life. Maybe you will think of sitting down and doing nothing because ucabanga ukuthi ukuzama akukusebenzeli. Now, these are three things that I want you to know, mlaleli wami lapha ekhaya, ngesikhathi ubhekene nobunzima. Number one, no matter how good and gracious you are, you will never satisfy an ungrateful person. Let me rephrase my statement. No matter how good and how gracious you are, you will never satisfy the ungrateful person. Because let me tell you, kunezinto ezikutshela ukuthi oh, that's why I cheat. Ngoba ngase ngingasenzi kanje, ngoba ngase ngingakhulumi kanje. Let me tell you, ngisho ungenza kanjani, umuntu mengabe ezocheat uzocheata. Noma ungenza kanjani because akacheat ngoba wenzela ucheata ngoba ucheata. Let me tell you, ayikho into ozoyenza ukuze unqanda umuntu ukuthi enze into ekuphoxa. Number two, into engifuna ukuthi ngikhulume ukuthi learning to remain calm in situation of disrespect is superpower. Remaining calm in disrespect is superpower. Ngesikhathi wehlisa umoya iyona into ekwazi ukuphakamisa uye phezulu. But the last one, mfokazi kodwa, giving up is not an option. Keep on moving. Keep on climbing the ladder. You are great. Thank you.
Thank you so much Mfundisi for this powerful message. Siyacela usipha ama details akho nokuthi nikhonzela kuphi in case ifuna ukuzohlangela kanye nani Mfundisi.
Sibonga kakhulu mfokazi kodwa, umpostoli uMthobisi Makhathini silapha ya eDurban Miracle Center ku number 10 Steel Road eWindomia eThekwini. Inkonzo zethu ngama Sundays zingena ngo 8:30 ekseni, ziphuma ngo 10:30. Kanti sikhona lapha yana futhi othongathi ehamba nathi emva kwase library. Inkonzo zethu zingena ngo 10:30 ekseni ngamasonto. Abafisa ukuxhumana nathi enkundleni zokuxhumana ku Facebook uMthobisi W Makhathini, ku Instagram uMthobisi Makhathini, lapha ku TikTok uMthobisi Makhathini. Abafuna ukusifonela noma ukusiWhatsApp for different purposes bangasithinta kule number ethi 082 791 0588. It is 082 791 0588. Mfokazi kodwa.
Thank you so much Mfundisi, siphinde sihlangane next week. Thank you so much.
Bless your heart, my man. Bless your heart.
Amen. That was Mpostoli Mthobisi Makhathini ekhuluma about silencing ama voices of depression.